In this video, we'll be giving you a brief overview of how to take the hydraulic cooler off on a Baumalight mini skid steer. Open the door and put the safety pin in for the door, as well as the safety pin for the boom support. Remove the hydraulic cooler cover. Remove the lift support. Take a picture of the orientation of the fittings for reference later. Disconnect the hoses from the cooler with a small container in place to catch escaping oil. For the least amount of spillage, disconnect the top hose first. Take a picture for reference later before disconnecting the wires. Then identify any wires that need to be disconnected to take off the cooler. Secure the cooler and remove the bolts. Swap the fittings from the old cooler to the new cooler. Then the new cooler is ready to be installed.